Is your Bambu printer refusing to connect to your Wi-Fi or just dropping the connection randomly? You're not crazy and you're not alone. If you've got an Xfinity router, the fix is surprisingly simple, and I'll show you how to do this in under 3 minutes. For some reason, the Bambu printers with Wi-Fi only struggle with dual band networks that broadcast both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz under the same name, which is exactly what most Xfinity routers do by default. What you need is a dedicated 2.4 gigahertz network separate from your 5 gigahertz. That means creating two networks with different names. Let's set it up using the Xfinity app. Open up the app and then tap on the Wi-Fi button at the bottom. Then select Wi-Fi details. Click on any one of the bands that might be displayed there. If you only see one band, just click on that and then click Edit Wi-Fi Settings. Turn on Split Bands, and then this will split it into two separate networks. So you enter in your details for your 2.4 and you enter in for your 5, and in my case I have a 6. You can give it the same password, you can give it a different password, whatever you want to do, but just make sure that it has a different name. Now head to your Bambu printer, and then either using the Handy app or your Bambu Studio app, go ahead and reconfigure it for the new Wi-Fi setting. After that, everything should connect up just fine. Heads up, any other smart devices that were using the 2.4 gigahertz band will need to be reconnected to the new network. That includes smart plugs, bulbs, doorbells. Hopefully this saves you hours of frustration. I know it did for me. I seriously thought my printer was defective. If you found this helpful, give it a like, drop a comment if you ran into anything weird, and don't forget to subscribe for more no-fluff fixes like this one. Oh, and one more thing. If you're still having trouble, try rebooting your router after splitting the bands and keep the printer within good range of the router during the setup. All right, take care. See you around.